Raise your hand if your favorite food is cabbage too. Oh, I'm so impressed with all these children. Y'all love cabbage that much, huh? Okay, we're gonna boil some cabbage for the party. No barn dance is complete with a whole bunch of boiled cabbage. So kids and grown-ups too, if you feel like dancing, let's stand up and get ready to boil the cabbage. Bye, friends! Say bye, Rocky! Hold out your hand like you got a big wooden spoon and pretend like you're stirring a big pot of boiling cabbage. Now we're gonna sing in our biggest, loudest voices all together. We're gonna go. Bow them cabbage down, down. Point down like that. Turn that hoe cake round, round. A hoe cake is like a little corn pancake, another delicious barn dance snack. The only song that I can sing is bow them cabbage down. Y'all do that? All right, everybody, let's try it again. Here we go. Even louder. Bow them cabbage down, down. Turn that whole cake around, round. The only song that I can sing is bow them cabbage down. Oh, that was pretty good.
Carolyn's back there too.
It's a great life if you don't weaken, but who wants to be strong? Well, I don't guess I'll ever make a million. I just want enough to get by. I like a checking account in 2 or 3 banks and a yellow Cadillac to drive. I'll go sporting around with 2 or 3 redheads, maybe take them long along. And it's a great life if you don't weaken, but who wants to be strong? Yeah! Oh, thank you so much, folks. We're glad to be here out in Sequim. We're here for the kids. I always spend my time just writing lines to you. Can't wait for you to write, saying you love me too. To spend my time just writing lines to you. I can't wait for you to write, saying you love me too. Wipe these blues away. Oh, hey, baby, why don't you call me on the telephone? Well, I'm here and so alone. Why don't you come and drive these blues away? See, I'm down and out, so alone. Honey, baby, please come home. I love you, tell the world I do. But I need loving from you. Honey, you were right, I was wrong. Please tell me, oh, how long can you stand me being this far away? When a man asks me if I'm a Casanova, cause he saw me out with you, I said I'm not a lover, just a guitar picker and a mighty lucky one, it's true. He thought that I must be a lover, cause you're the prettiest in the world. I said she's a thinking man's woman and a loving man's girl. And love sure ain't no job, it's just my favorite hobby. So I just answer him each time he stops me. I need loving from you, honey, you were right, I was wrong. Please tell me, oh, how long can you stand me being this far away? Yes, please drive these blues away.
This does not sound like a party bus, people. Come on now. You everyone have a good time? Yeah! It's for the kids! For the kids!
This is not what I thought my ride home would be like.
No more snow. We're done. I swim. We're done. Swim didn't know what to do with us.